Welcome back to Olympiad Learning. Today we have this question 0.5 to the power 0.5, and here on the right side we have 0.25 power 0.25. We need to find out which one is greater. Let's solve it. Here 0.5 can be written as 1 upon 2. Similarly, we have 0.5 as 1 by 2. And on the right side, we have 0.25. I can write here 1 by 4 for 0.25. Similarly, we have value for 0.25 as 1 by 4. Now, I can do one thing, that is here 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 and then a square here. And on the last here, there is a power 1 by 4. I can solve this one as here 1 by 2 and then this power and this power will multiply together. So we have 2 multiply 1 by 4 and this one is just we have 1 by 2 and then this one will cancel. So we have 1 by 2. So here you are seeing that on the right side we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 and on the left side we have 1 by 2 power 1 by 2. So both are same. So we can say that these terms are same. Here both are same. Here we can say that here we can apply equality sign, equal sign, so that we can say that these terms are same. Here 1 by 4 power 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square power square, and this is 2 and 1 by 4 will cancel. So we'll have a 1 by 2 over here, 1 by 2 over here. So you can see that both 1 by 2 and power 1 by 2 both are looking same. So this is the answer. Both are same. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.